With a shift toward automation, industrial robots are used to perform tasks usually performed by people. The field of robotics and automation uses different programming and electrical skills to build these automated systems. The Robotics and Automation Technician program at UTI's campus in Rancho Cucamonga, California, is designed to help prepare students with the skills needed to become technicians in the industry. Over the course of the program, students take courses covering a variety of topics, from manufacturing systems and technology to electrical theory and computer-aided design. They learn hands-on in labs that feature state-of-the-industry tools. Instructors provide real-world industry experience. The Rancho Cucamonga campus is a great home base for students in the Robotics and Automation program. There are beaches and other attractions to explore, plus proximity to the Los Angeles area that features a range of companies and industries. Does training for a career as a robotics and automation technician sound interesting to you? You can get trained in just 51 weeks at our Rancho Cucamonga campus. Click the links in the description to learn more, or visit here, uti.edu/rancho.